Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get like really fabulous nice lashes without using any falsies, because not everyone has time every day to put on false lashes. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And I've been using this mascara since I've gotten it, and I really like it a lot. Also, it doesn't flake. It is water resistant, not waterproof. I want to make sure you guys like know that. And I've been really liking this mascara because I don't have really long lashes. This gives me like the volume and like the illusion of false lashes. So I'm also using the Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette in the number 1 True Neutrals and number 5 Peach. So that's how I got this look. And also I didn't use any like pot gel liner, or I didn't use any like felt tip eye pencil. I just used the Fly Pencil Longwear eyeliner, and I really liked the way my eyes turned out today. So let's get started. So getting started with the eyes, just my eyeshadow, I am going to use number 5, which is Peach, and I'm going to use number 1, which is True Neutrals. So I am going to start off just by putting the color here on my lid, and I want something warm and peachy, and this is just like perfect for that. So I am going in with the color Shoot Your Shot, and as you can see, I'm just patting it on my mobile lid, and I'm going to just slowly start putting it close to my crease and just diffusing the line a little bit. You can see I am patting. I'm not like swiping back and forth. When you get to your desired saturation, you can just start blending the edges. It's going to prepare us for a good blend when we add like a transition color. So I'm slowly, like as you guys can see, compared to the other eye, where I'm using the lightest part of the brush bristles, and I'm just fading it up as if I were blending, but I'm not. I'm still making sure I'm being soft and tapping, but still finding a way to blend it. So now I'm doing directional blending. As you can see, I started off from the outer V, and I pushed it, I blended in a couple of times, and then I started doing back and forth motion. And now I am using the shade Come and Get It from the number 1 True Neutrals palette. You guys can see the difference between one that's diffused and the other one. And now I am using the Fly Pencil Longwear eyeliner. I'm using the color because I'm black, and I'm using it to tightline, and it's really creamy. Like, it's really creamy. I can't get over how creamy it is. It's really comfortable to wear on my eyes. Usually when I'm tightlining, my eyes water, and this time they weren't, and I was really impressed. I just loved it. And I'm using the color Black Card. I would say it's a black color. It just has like nice shimmer in it, or glitter, and it does not feel chunky. It's not uncomfortable. It feels really comfortable on the eyelids. You know how there's some liners when they have glitter in it, you can kind of feel it. This is just creamy. As you guys can see, it's not tugging on my eyelid at all whatsoever. It's just gliding on really easily. And if you have problems applying wing liner, this can be a way for you to have like an illusion of wing liner, or you can actually do a wing liner with a smudge brush and just use this pencil, because it's really creamy, and you won't have a problem just winging it out. And I will say, you will want to work fast. So now going in with the star of the show. This is the Full Frontal Mascara, and I want to show you guys something. See how there's like a longer brush on this side and this flatter on this side? The flat side is going to lift and give you like a little more volume will give you like nice body, and here this longer bristles is going to give you length and more definition. So I'm gonna go in and use the flat side first. You can see. And I'm making sure to take my time. I did a lot of coats because I was testing it to see if it was going to get clumpy or if it was gonna dry and start flaking off. And as you guys can see, it's not doing that. And for this mascara, I love that the fat side is like a fine-tooth comb and it's just brushing and separating my lashes to give it more definition. And I am going from root to tip, and you guys can see the difference from that lash to the other one, and I love it. It gives my lashes like a little va-va-voom. Love it. So now I'm going back in with the mascara after I've done my face, and everything I use will be down below. Now you can get a Fenty face. Can you believe that? The whole face can now be Fenty. So I'm going back in with that fat side to thoroughly comb my bottom lashes, just to give it like an extra dramatic look, I'll call it. And I just really like how it defines, and you can clearly see the difference. Like I was saying earlier, you guys can get this mascara. It is exclusive to Sephora, so you get the snap shadow and the mascara. Can you guys see? I don't even need falsies. Like, I'm looking down, and when I'm looking up, you can clearly see that my lashes look nice. There's no flakiness. There's none of that. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.